Okay, so now she has the basic bundle, and what she'll do is go through and pull the extra out.
Yes.
So you got to work it around. Work the two.
Follow the alignment. Hey, here it
And there you
is.
have it. There is a hanging rice basket. Now, what do you do with that, sweetie? You just put the rice in there and
Yes, put the rice in here
then in the top.
at the top. Then make sure that the rice is until here, below this level.
Okay.
Here. So that
Okay.
the rice will have rooms to grow here, until here.
Until it can expand. And then
Yeah.
what do you do? Do you boil it or steam it or what do you do?
Steam.
Steam.
Yeah.
So you steam the little basket full of rice, and the
Mm.
rice swells up as it absorbs the moisture, and it'll
Yes.
pack that little basket tight.
Mm.
Well, thank you, Miss Dee Dee Sunshine, for your wonderful instructions on how to make your very own hanging rice basket.
You're welcome.